There's Casper. You gonna eat your breakfast? Go ahead. What a cute boy. He is. Oh, go eat your breakfast. Oh, there's Calvin. Calvin, come say hi to Casper.
Hi.
Who was that? Say hi, Casper.
Hi, Casper. Look at Rich. Where?
Yeah?
That was.
Cal, why don't you give Casper a hug? Oh, he's eating.
Wow. Look at Rich.
My two little toddlers.
Now, blue.
What are you doing?
Put the blue skin on.
You just hanging out? Where'd he go? What are you going to do? Are you going to follow him? Nope. See, I have priorities. We're going to let Casper eat in peace. Say, see you later. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.